Found a DIS file with no obvious application source? This three-letter extension is used by multiple applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you investigate these DIS-specialized data files. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor DIS errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. DIS files are data files associated with multiple potential applications, including discrete 3D software, dispatch systems, disassembly tools, and various industry-specific applications. The various developers' three-letter extension requires investigation to identify which specific application created the file before proper handling is possible. DIS files use various proprietary formats depending on the source application. Some are binary distribution data, others contain disassembly listings, dispatch records, or specialized data structures. Without identifying the source application, hex inspection and context investigation are essential to determine the file's content type and format. For DIS, the correct first move is opening it with Hex Editor. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows offers no decoding ability, so a compatible legacy viewer is essential. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your DIS file and click Open With. If Hex Editor is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. If the DIS file still will not open, there is no need to stress when the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these three focused troubleshooting steps now. First, inspecting file header. Open the DIS file in a hex editor like HXD or 010 editor and examine the first bytes for magic numbers. Common patterns include zip signatures, PDF headers, or text-based markers. Readable text within the file may reveal the source application or data type, providing clues about appropriate handling tools. Next, identifying source context. Examine the file's location and surrounding files for clues about the originating application. DIS files appear in 3D software environments, distribution systems, compiler outputs, and various industry tools. The folder structure, installed software, and file source often indicates which DS interpretation applies to your specific file. Finally, trying common DIS tools. Try opening the DIS file in commonly associated applications like Autodesk, 3ds, Max, formerly, discrete text editors for disassembly listings, or industry-specific software relevant to your context. If unsuccessful, contact the file source to identify the originating application and request export to a standard format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.